En español.
Because Praxis took the name.
Sorry, estaba pensando en unas cosas que...
Tienes que calificar del 1 al 5. ¿Cómo calificarías del 1 al 5?
Okay.
El desempeño del team de Anton Park.
En general.
Sí, como en general y teniendo en cuenta como la actividad, como los factores que se pueden generar también día a día.
Two.
Nuestro equipo.
In this case, also need to follow up with the customer.
You will receive a task for
Okay.
this CFS because I want to score 3 stars.
Okay.
I want to say 3. We have a lot of improvement areas. I detect that at the beginning, every one of us tried to do it, and then we start to feel frustration and take the time just to go to other side and free your mind, and then go back and give one new strategy, apport to the team, and continue trying to do it in the best way. I think 3 stars because we need to improve a lot. Also the communication and the be openness to hear the ideas of each other.
Okay.